All right, here's my friend's 2013 Chevrolet Camaro. Not an RS. Not an RS.
It's a wannabe.
Wannabe RS. But it's pretty clean. It's only a V6, but you know, it's still quicker than my Fiat at least. We'll get a little view of it. Not bad. But we'll take it for a little drive. This is definitely going to be the fastest car I've ever driven. And probably the newest car I've ever driven also. So, yeah, should be good. Yeah, we'll hop in.
Oh, you want me to go with you?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Is that popping? Is that burbling?
Yeah. It pops pretty fucking loud now.
Break. That's all?
Yeah.
Bro, it's so different. All right, I'll edit that out.
Keep it in. That's the best part. You owe me a clutch. I'm playing. What's your honest thoughts? How does everything feel so far?
Everything's super touchy. Clutch is touchy, gas is very touchy, but I'm also used to a 50-year-old car. But it's super fast. I mean, oh man, like I'm used to 80 horsepower, you know.
Not a 320?
Yeah.
Well, allegedly that's what it makes. That might have been what it made from the fact. I mean, I'm sure it's lost a few ponies on the way.
Yeah.
Especially the way I drive it.
This thing's pretty quick though. Downshifts nice.
Perfect rev match.
I don't know what's going on here. No, it was only like 4.
No, like 50%.
Yeah, that was not that much. Dude, this thing's quick.
A lot of people dog on the V6s.
Yeah, I was
they're
too,
not,
but
they're not really that, like when you actually drive them.
Yeah.
In this car,
you have a really bad blind spot right there.
Yeah, it's pretty gnarly. You really don't need to give it gas when you let out the clutch. You just let it out.
Really? Okay.
Everything's pretty tight.
What is?
Like the shifter, the steering.
Yeah, it feels really good actually.
It definitely, you can tell it's heavy through the corners. That's the one thing I don't really like about the car.
You gotta shed some weight.
Yeah. I need to hit the fucking gym.
That's not
Oh, that's reverse.
Oh, what? Is this? Is that first?
I think that's third. There, that's first. That would have been so
My bad.
funny just starting. They've probably seen the reverse lights. Yeah, it might be an old clutch. Someone's been in the transmission on this car though.
Really?
From what I can tell. Because like there's RTV on it, there's missing bushings.
Right. Yeah, I think your synchros are kind of
Cooked.
Yeah, because I feel it in third too. You might just need fluid also.
I did just change it.
Okay.
There was so much glitter in it though.
Really?
These cars were fairly uncommon in manuals.
Yeah.
I mean, the type of person to buy a V6 Camaro probably isn't an enthusiast. They just want,
Yeah.
you know. All your comments on this video. Does this guy even know how to drive a stick shift?
Who, me? Bro, it's different.
It
It's
is.
very
It is.
different.
Because like I would look like an idiot driving your car. It would just be.
You drove it once.
Oh my god! It was so like. I would like press on the gas and then I would go back in my seat.
Yeah.
And then it would let off, so then I go back forward, and it would just be a constant. Like,
Yeah.
What'd you call it? The bunny hop?
Yeah, it's called the bunny hop
Yeah.
on that year specifically.
I wonder what causes that.
It's just a kind of a bad throttle linkage, so it kind of like bounces.
Oh, 295. Dang, that's hella cheap. Kurt Cobain, POV.
Miata. Pretty clean.
Bro's whipping. Oh, another thing, the mirrors on this car are so small.
I was gonna slide it, but I don't know this car that well, so.
Well, you felt it there. There's nothing in the back of this car. It gets hairy real quick.
Yeah.
This is a good road. I just bought my brand new Nissan Sentra. My interest rate is only 30%. They gave me a good deal. Alright, give her the beans.
Whew. Wow.
I'm like high-key excited someone thinks my car is fast until I realize they daily at 80 horsepower Fiat.
Dude, I mean, it's.
Like compared to Angel's car, it's not too much quicker.
No. Is Daniel's car faster than yours?
Absolutely.
Really? Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess he is lighter and makes more horsepower.
Yeah. I mean, we've never raced, but I have no doubt he would beat me.
Yeah.